Shwmae a croeso. Hello and welcome to Coleg y Cymoedd. My name is Karen Phillips and I'm the principal of the college. I realise that we've all been through scary times recently. Everyone will have had their learning and work disrupted to an extent. And at Coleg y Cymoedd, we will ensure that you have all the support you need to catch up in a very safe environment. We learned a lot when we switched to remote learning in March, and we will work with you to make sure you have the skills to learn remotely should the need arise again in future. But the reason we're here at Coleg y Cymoedd is to support you for a successful future. Whether you see that as getting a job after college, or going to university, or getting an apprenticeship, we will be here to support you all the way. So what can I promise you from your college experience? Well, all of our staff, first of all, are subject specialists. We have excellent links with employers and with universities, and we have over 40 specialist support staff. So whether you need help to catch up, or whether you want to be stretched and challenged to do your best, we have the support that you need. And what do you need to do? Well, we want you to work with us. That means turning up ready to learn and setting some time aside outside college to keep on top of your work. But also, we really want you to enjoy it. And finally, just to reassure you, although it'll be business as unusual in terms of we'll have safety measures in place in college, and there may be some restrictions on movements around the building, we will have a superb educational environment where you will be supported to do your best and that you are successful at the end of your year with us. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Thank you.